The Switchblade refers to a loitering munition developed by AeroVironment. It is designed as a kamikaze that this drone is able to crash into its target with an explosive warhead to destroy it. They are single-use weapons with unmanned aircraft that are capable of inflicting significant damage. The drones have blade-like wings that emerge when the device is launched. The Switchblade is small enough to be carried in a backpack and can be launched from a variety of ground, maritime, and air platforms. Here are several reasons why the Switchblade are frequently called kamikaze drones. First, these drones are small and easily deployed and are intended to hit targets that are outside the line of sight. They are launched out of a tube much like a mortar. Third, they have a feature that allows a service member to call off the strike if the target has moved away or civilians are in the area. Switchblade's origins date back to 2004 and a DARPA program called Close Combat Lethal Reconnaissance, CCLR, or Confirmatory Hunter-Killer. The original version is similar to the final design, with one major difference. This arrangement is feasible and is used by Israel, Spike, and Lost Missile. Moreover, the Switchblade was not made public until 2011, when the U.S. Army took an interest and ordered a new Block 10 version. Since then, the Switchblade appears to be a favorite weapon of U.S. Special Forces and other infantry units. This drone is valued for its ability to carry out precision strikes at long range. It can hit with sniper-like precision from a distance of 6 miles. However, unlike a javelin or other missiles, it does not reveal the firer's location. In 2015, the remains of some Switchblades were discovered in Syria, with the assumption that they were used by U.S. troops helping Kurdish fighters. Switchblade drones are cheaper than most U.S. drones and come in 2 different models, according to the manufacturer. The Switchblade 300 model weighs about 5 pounds, flies up to 15 minutes at a time, and is designed to be carried in a backpack, assisting small infantry units tracking the Russians' movements, and is designed for strikes on soldiers. It has a cruising speed of 63 miles per hour and top speed of 100 miles per hour. On the other hand, the Switchblade 600, by comparison, weighs about 50 pounds, flies up to 40 minutes with a range of about 25 miles. This model is known as a loitering missile that can target armored vehicles. Additionally, it has a cruising speed of 70 miles per hour and top speed of 115 miles per hour, and it was designed for strikes on soldiers and tanks. However, it is currently unknown which version the U.S. will deliver to Ukraine in this scenario. According to the company's website, Switchblade drones were initially employed in Afghanistan against the Taliban in the aftermath of 9/11. The company claimed earlier this month that it was ready to help Ukraine fight against the Russian military and strategically deter potential aggression in a statement. Moving on further, we will highlight some advancements of this weapon. It is mentioned that the Switchblade's ability is difficult to defend against. Operators program the Switchblade to destroy a target up to 50 miles away. When the weapon is launched, it can avoid enemy fire with its cameras and guidance system. Switchblades then can fly around the target for 40 minutes until the fire control mechanism determines it is advantageous to strike. The weapon was deployed in Afghanistan against high-value targets. In fact, the scale of Switchblade deployment was only accidentally exposed in 2015 when the project crews were recognized for a successful delivery of more than 4,000 Switchblade all-up rounds, 50 fire control units, and 50 training simulators to Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan.